Why does ClickBank feel so confusing when you first start? You log in. You see dozens of products, different metrics, strange terms, and suddenly, instead of feeling excited, you feel lost. If that's you, you're not alone. And more importantly, there's a reason for it. In this video, we'll break down why ClickBank feels confusing at the beginning, the biggest points of confusion for beginners, what actually matters and what doesn't, and how to simplify everything so you can finally move forward. If you've been stuck trying to figure things out, this will help you see things clearly. The first reason ClickBank feels confusing is simple: too many choices. When you open the marketplace, you see hundreds of products, different niches, gravity scores, commission rates, and instead of clarity, you get overwhelmed. Beginners think, what should I choose? What if I pick the wrong product? So they don't choose anything. The second problem, no clear step-by-step path. ClickBank gives you access, but it doesn't tell you what to do first, what comes next, how everything connects. So people jump between YouTube videos, random tutorials, different strategies, and end up more confused than before. The internet is full of conflicting advice. One person says, use TikTok. Another says, run ads. Another says, build funnels first. And beginners try to follow everything at the same time. That's where confusion explodes. But here's the real issue. It's not ClickBank. It's the lack of a simple plan. Because when you have a clear path, pick a product, create content, drive traffic, everything becomes easier. Clarity removes confusion. Here's how to make ClickBank simple. Ignore most options. You don't need everything. Pick one niche. Focus on one traffic source, YouTube, TikTok, or ads. Not all at once. Follow a basic structure. Traffic, offer, repeat. That's it. No need to overcomplicate. Once you simplify, something interesting happens. You start taking action. And action creates feedback, learning, results. That's when things finally start to make sense. So if ClickBank feels confusing right now, that's normal. But it doesn't have to stay that way. The key is simplicity plus consistency. If you want to follow a clearer step-by-step structure instead of trying to figure everything out alone, there's a system that organizes this process. Check the official page in the description, and if this video helped you, subscribe, because the next videos will make this even easier to understand.